Thanks for buying this weekly planner. Let me show you how this model works. The first tab contains a link to my Etsy store, along with a support link if you encounter any issues or have feedback. First, we need to change the time zone. This is done by navigating to the settings via the File main menu dropdown. Choose your location and time zone, then click Save Settings. Next, to ensure the model works properly, we need to activate the scripts to use the automations. Click the button once and grant permissions. There is a link to a video showing you this step-by-step process if you need guidance. After you have granted permissions, click it again, and you will be navigated to the Week Plan template, where you will plan and organize your days. A pop-up message will appear when the scripts are activated. At the bottom of the sheet, you'll find Highlight Input cells that display the editable cells. This may be useful to turn on the first time you familiarize yourself with the weekly planner. The model will highlight the current month and today's date in the mini calendar. You can choose either Monday or Sunday as your preferred first day of the week for the mini calendar and the habit tracker. There are two mood icon styles to choose from, colorful or flat style. A pop-up calendar appears when you double-click on the date field for the start date. You can choose any date, and this will be the first day of your week plan. To track your habits and daily routines, simply write a description and check off the habits as the week progresses to keep yourself accountable. Each day has a mood field where you can set your intentions or track your dominant mood for the day. There is also a field for the overarching focus for the day, or perhaps the whole week. You simply type in the tasks you plan for the day and give them a priority via the drop-down menu. Use the checkbox to check them off. Each day has space for up to 17 tasks, so there's ample room for all your to-dos. I'm going to go ahead and fill out a few entries as a demonstration. Each day has a pending and completed counter, along with a donut graph displaying your progression. Perhaps you are thinking, what happens when you are done with the week and want to start a new week plan? The model has useful automation built in to help you with this, making sure it's easy and flexible. If you have any unfinished tasks that you would like to save and reschedule for a later date, this can be achieved via the Parking Lot tab. The parking lot has 4 lists corresponding to the priorities you give a task. You need to assign a priority to the task for it to be stored in the parking lot. Tasks without priorities will not be moved. When you click the Parking Lot button in the week plan, all unfinished tasks with an unchecked checkbox and a given priority between urgent and low will be moved to the parking lot. Allow the script to complete. It may take a few seconds depending on your browser's resources. Now that I have moved my tasks, I will click on Clear All. If you accidentally clear all, you can always undo the recent changes via the Undo button, or even check the version history if you need to recover a backup. The Clear button has now given us a blank template while keeping the habits, as these are ongoing. Let's now change the date to the first day of the new week. Let's navigate to the parking lot sheet and take a closer look. As I change the date, the parking lot also shows me the dates in the week plan. I can now choose to reschedule any park task to any of the dates in the current week plan. Let the script run through for each task. The task appears in the week plan without priority, so you can reassess their priority for the given day. If you want to clean up the parking lot, simply check off any task you want to delete and hit the Delete Checked button. You can also check or uncheck a whole list for efficiency. That's it for the demonstration. The Weekly Planner is a simple but effective productivity tool that you can use on a daily basis or revisit whenever you have a project, struggle with procrastination, or feel unorganized. You can get it from the Harmony Sheets Etsy store. It is a one-time purchase with lifetime usability, saving you lots of money compared to subscription models. Thanks for watching.